Welcome to Charts by Social Explorer. This video will show you how to work with data in your charts. To create a new chart, I will first click the plus sign button. If you're already a Social Explorer subscriber, you'll be able to use our wide array of data resources. These include the American Community Survey, Decennial Census, religion data, FBI crime data, and health data, as well as some international data like the UK Census, Canadian Census, World Bank data, and more. Using our system, you can also import Federal Reserve Bank data such as GDP, Consumer Price Index, unemployment rates, or inflation data. In addition to using our data resources, you can also bring in your own data. There are several ways to import data into charts. You can load data from Google Sheets, upload a file from your computer, paste data directly into the app, or drag and drop a CSV file. Once you add your data, charts will automatically identify three types of information: numbers, text, and date and time. Change the column data type if necessary, enter the name of your chart, and then click Next to choose the best chart type for your data. This chart shows business establishments by industry in New York. Whether using our data or your own, you can edit these data for your chart. To edit data, click here. You can change existing data or add new values. To update a value, click the cell and start typing. Click Away or press Enter to apply the change. To add a new row, click the plus sign at the bottom of the sheet. Type in the name of the category and the number. Click Away and the changes are applied. New rows can be added or removed anywhere you like by clicking the menu button to the left of each row. Change the order of rows and columns by clicking and dragging. Note that changing the row order in the grid changes the order in the chart. You can also sort data by column. Click the menu button and sort by ascending or descending order. Here, you can also change the data type, as well as duplicate or delete a column. To add a new column, click the plus sign and type in the state name, set the data type, and press Save. Type in or paste the values and your new column is complete. Double-click the column header to rename it or change the data type. If you want to visualize your data by state instead of by industry, click the Transpose button and switch from plotting by rows to plotting by columns. Here you will also get to preview how your chart will look with this change. To update chart data from a new CSV file, click here and select Update CSV. This way, your data will be updated without affecting the existing chart settings or style. You can also download the edited CSV file by clicking More and then Download CSV. To reset your chart and start from scratch with new data, simply choose any of these data sources. Now you are ready to transform data into beautiful interactive charts.